What's the meaning of cardiologist? Cardiologist. Cardiologist.
Cardiologist. Cardiologist. A cardiologist is a medical doctor who specializes in diagnosing and treating conditions related to the heart and cardiovascular system. They are experts in the prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of diseases and disorders that affect the heart and blood vessels, such as coronary artery disease, heart failure, and arrhythmias. Cardiologists use a variety of tests and procedures to diagnose these conditions, such as electrocardiograms, ECGs, echocardiograms, and cardiac catheterizations. They work closely with other healthcare professionals to develop treatment plans that may include lifestyle changes, medications, or surgery. Overall, a cardiologist plays a critical role in maintaining heart health and preventing heart disease.